Okay, we're in and we're done. Just got to put this on. The legs are done. Come on, there we go. Right. Okay. Job done. Ow, don't stop. Okay. Some juice. Get a bit of a plan up first. Nice new and white. I'm quite impressed with that. Yeah. Okay. Get on. Come in there. It's all primed up. Okay. Sticks it into the tank. Just just pop it tight. Where? Okay. You. Where? Okay. Adjust. Couldn't say it was easy, it was tedious, but I did it. Lost a few bollock hairs over doing that, and added a few more grey ones. But right, okay. Stop the clock! Clock, not cock. Right. So, we can rebuild. Rebuild! Okay. Is this where I sub my dick off? I don't know. I don't know. See when I press the button. Hey love, no hands. Okay. I find it misses like what, I could say that. Right. There it goes. All dry. And fire it up, as they say, fire it up. Okay. That's sight. Oh yeah. smoking. We're smoking. Oh yeah. Damn. Whew. That's a lungful. Okay, the TF38. Oh, damn. Yeah. That's rebuilt, alright. That's rebuilt. So if you want to spend the time, the patience. Holy crap. You can rebuild this thing. Shit, that's a rush. Whew. Bloody hell. Whew. Yeah. It worked good. Damn. That's alright. Shit. Head rush. Okay, peeps, if you want to spend the time and patience, use a few bollock hairs. You can rebuild it. It can be done. Holy moly. Well, I'm glad that's all over. This juice actually, this is growing on me, this bad drink, this cereal. It's actually not too bad. It's okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. So there we go, guys. You can rebuild it. Look, no leaking. It doesn't leak. Oh, pardon me. Christ, I'm burping fucking vape now. Okay, that's vaping good. Damn, actually the seal trip tastes better. I think I'll stop for a bit. God damn it. That's quite a rush. It's actually brought the flavour out even more. Damn. Oh, then just one more quick one. Juicy little number. Okay, guys, so you can rebuild. Damn. I don't want to collapse. Laters and enjoy.